it's cold outside, and I don't have a warm coat. You see the rain's coming down, and it washed off your makeup. You know the story is told, and I don't ever fake it. I just need a warm, dry blanket. If I don't have the warmth from you no more, I gotta stay warm somehow. In the gutter, laying somewhere on the side of the pavement, and I have got to keep warm somehow. Not sure how much more I can take it. So cold and lonely out here, so cold and lonely. Can you feel? But I gotta get out of this fake town, got to get out of this breakdown. So sick and tired of feeling so cold and lonely. But I've got to stop breaking down, and feeling so lost. Sick of feeling so lonely. Hey, think I'll just break down. Just leave town. Got to get out of these wet clothes. Got to find that new path that I never knew. Got to get warm again. Got to dry out or find my way to the shelter, to the air. No, the rain is coming down again, again, again. The rain, it's coming down again. You know it's cold outside, and I don't have a warm coat. You see the rain's coming down, and it washed off your makeup. You know the story has been told, and I don't ever fake it. I just need a soft, warm, dry blanket. If I don't have the warmth from you no more, but I'll find shelter soon, somehow. Someday, just watch the rain and storms fade.